My boyfriend has started pretending to be bad at basic life stuff, like dishes and laundry, like he can't do it so I do it. I felt pretty frustrated with that, and told him straight up that I knew he didn't forget how to clean since he moved in with me. He was always very competent living alone and I didn't appreciate him forgetting how to do chores. When I asked him to do dishes, he refused and refused until he finally did them. Wrong, but I was not that stupid. He said that he was trying his best, and I was wrong for saying he was trying to manipulate me. And that from his perspective I asked him to do something, and he did it the best he could and I kept at him because it wasn't up to my impossibly high standards, and he couldn't win. He wanted me to believe him when he says he is trying. Anyway, this might be petty, but I decided to give believing him a try. So, he had bleach stained my favorite little black dress. Instead of getting mad, next time he had a family event, I put it on. He asked me if I was really going to wear that. It looked messy. I said that I loved that dress, and understand accidents happen, so I wasn't mad or upset it had bleach spots. Actually, I thought it looked kinda cool. He said he really thought it looked bad, and I said if he wants he could Sharpie on the white spots real quick, in the Uber. It ended up looking even worse. Another time, we were having dinner, and he had done the dishes, but put some of the cups and bowls in the dishwasher upside down, so they filled with dirty dishwater. I took those cups and bowls, dunked them out in the sink, but didn't wash them further, and served his food in them. He said that it was dirty and I was like, they just came out of the dishwasher. It's just water, it's fine. He said that no, it was disgusting, and I said it was really no biggie. I was getting over my impossibly high cleanliness standards, and I really didn't think it was that gross. The last time, I had cooked for a work party of his. After cooking, the dish needed to cool for about 30 minutes, then be refrigerated. I had plans with my friends that night and I asked him to put the dish away after it cooled. He forgot. The next morning he noticed the dish was never refrigerated. I said it was fine, it was just a mistake, and it would probably be fine to eat. There wasn't a lot of meat in it. He got frustrated, and said that you can't serve meat left out overnight even if it is only a little, and I said, oh, I think it should be okay, stuff happens. He stopped being so lazy about chores, after he realized I seem totally okay with leaving stuff done badly, and that he'll be living with it. But I feel a little petty for having been dishonest about it. I actually hate how my bleached dress looked, and my stomach turns at dirty dish soup and unrefrigerated meat. Am I the a-hole for being petty?